Hi, I'm Jim Adamski with CDL Wisconsin Roth Sugar Bush. Today we are going to talk about the gravity filtration of maple syrup using an Orlon filter bag. So, two of the commonly used items when using filter bags for gravity filtration of maple syrup is one, the Orlon bag itself, and two is the pre-filter that goes inside of the Orlon bag. Okay, prior to using a Orlon bag, we should wet this bag with warm water. For best results, we want to make sure that this bag is basically loosened up, so to speak, with water prior to pouring hot syrup in for filtration. The next step in the process would be to install the pre-filter liner, which simply slides down inside of the cone. And basically what that does, if you look in the inside, it's basically going to protect the inside of our filter bag from the sugar sand or the niter that we are going to filter out of our syrup. So basically this bag will be suspended over your container. Hot syrup will be poured in basically through the top, and basically the gravity will basically let the hot syrup flow down through the filter, removing any debris or sugar sand. So when we talk about taking care of filter bags, after the syrup is filtered, the pre-filter should be discarded, not to be reused. The Orlon filter bag itself can be reused. It needs to be washed in hot water only. Do not use any bleaches or sanitizers. Any of that particular bleach or sanitizer, the taste or the flavor basically of that sanitizer will be locked in the pores of the filter bag and will transfer into your syrup. Like I said, bags should be washed in hot water. They should be squeezed dry. Never twist the filter bags or wring them out. Basically what happens there is we tear the fibers in the filter bag itself, which allows the sugar, sand, or niter to pass. As your filter bags get old after they've been used a number of times, basically you want to look at your filter bag itself. If you start to see thread barren material start to develop, or kind of a rough surface where it looks like the threads are starting to debond from the filter, we should discard the filter bag and purchase a new one at that point. The other thing that we should do is we should occasionally smell our filter bags. The reason that we want to smell our filter bags, if a filter bag is put away without being completely dried, it may pick up a mildew smell. Maple syrup is very subject to odors and flavors transferring into it, so we want to make sure that our filter bags are in as good a condition as they possibly can be before we start our filtration. If you have any other questions on filtering of maple syrup, please contact or look at our website, www.rothsugarbush.com.